Hey guys, this is Mike from Make It Makers. Today I want to show you how to biscuit. And I'm not talking about breakfast. I'm talking about tabletops, yo.
You've probably seen me do this half dozen times in other videos, but I was going really fast. So I thought I'd just slow it down. Let me just walk you through this. It's pretty simple. All right guys, this is my biscuit joiner. Actually, it's my brother's. I borrowed it and I don't think I gave it back. First thing you'll do is you'll set this to 90 degrees. Then you're going to choose the size of your biscuits. I tend to use size 20 for my bigger tables. If I'm doing a smaller table, I might choose 10. The other thing you want to do is you want to set this line to the middle of your board thickness, okay? You don't have to be exact, just try to get in the center. This is going to carve out a semicircle into your wood. Now when you're looking at your biscuits, make sure you match up the number. This is 20, right? Which goes with the 20 here, okay? This is what they look like. Don't eat them. All right, makers, I am making this 36 by 90 inch oak tabletop. This is a collaboration I'm doing with my awesome brother. He's a fantastic craftsman and he's making the legs, actually the whole base out of metal. Put your wood show side up, the side you really want to see at the end of the project, right? The top, all right? Line them up, okay? Label them, all right? So here, A, B, C, D, E. What I like to do is I put an arrow going towards the top because it gets confusing later, so you don't want to mess that up. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where my biscuits are going to go. And the easiest way to do that, you know you're going to want some at the ends. So start there. You can just use this drywall square. It's pretty easy. And you'll just come in maybe 4 inches, mark at the seams, okay? Do the same over here. Mark at the seams. And then I like to come to about the center. We'll do it again. And then I'll split that in half. Here we go. Do it again. Split that in half. You get the point, right? So when I'm done, this is a 90-inch table. I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 biscuits per seam. So 9 times 4 looks like 36 biscuits. The first thing you're gonna do is take your outside board and flip it. All right, so you're gonna take your biscuit joiner and you're gonna work this way, all right? Okay, makers, now we're kind of getting to that glue up stage, okay? What we want to do is take a look at the side of our boards. We're going to find out what we labeled it, which way's up, which way's down. Put it back in the correct order, and then you're going to rotate everything. When gluing up big tables like this, it's important to glue it upside down, right? You want all that pressure pushing the boards in alignment so that the top surface has the most perfect edge. Now I used a joiner and a planer for these, but still there can be like minor differences. So you don't want to have to deal with that for the top. So the easiest thing to do is just glue it upside down. Okay, now that I got it back in the right order, next thing I want to do is rotate the whole thing so that the top surface is now on the bottom. The only thing you need is your biscuits. It's helpful to have a rubber mallet. You can also use any kind of block. You got your glue in your glue bot. Ink rollers are awesome again. I think it's been 100 years since they've been awesome, but they're back. And basically anything silicone works great with glue because you can just actually just let it dry on the brush, and the next time you need it, just peel it off before you do it. I'm gonna take some boards and put them underneath the middle and the two sides so that I have a little bit of a gap between the tabletop and my workbench.